They're tiny, black, and often praised as a superfood. You've probably seen basil seeds floating in drinks, desserts, or trendy health recipes. But what most people don't realize is this: consuming basil seeds the wrong way can pose real health risks, especially to your throat and digestive system. Before you panic, let's be clear. Basil seeds themselves are not toxic. In fact, when used properly, they can be a healthy addition to your diet. The danger comes from how they are consumed. Here's where things can go wrong. Basil seeds have a unique property. When soaked in liquid, they absorb water rapidly and swell into a gel-like coating. This is what makes them popular in drinks. However, if you eat them dry or only partially soaked, they can expand after entering your throat or esophagus. In rare but serious cases, this can lead to choking or blockage, especially in children, elderly individuals, or anyone with swallowing difficulties. Medical experts have warned that dry basil seeds can swell quickly when they come into contact with saliva or fluids in the throat. If they expand before reaching the stomach, they may become lodged in the airway or esophagus. This is why some health authorities advise caution, particularly for vulnerable groups. Another common mistake? Adding basil seeds directly into drinks and consuming them immediately. If the seeds haven't had enough time to fully expand in water beforehand, they may continue swelling inside the body, again increasing the risk of discomfort or obstruction. There's also the issue of portion control. Because basil seeds are high in fiber, consuming excessive amounts may lead to bloating, cramping, or digestive discomfort. For some people, especially those with sensitive digestive systems, this can be quite unpleasant. And here's something many people overlook: hydration matters. Since basil seeds absorb a significant amount of water, not drinking enough fluids throughout the day can make digestion harder and increase the risk of discomfort or mild blockage in the gut. Staying well hydrated helps the seeds move smoothly through your digestive system and supports overall gut health. So how do you enjoy basil seeds safely? Always soak basil seeds in plenty of water for at least 10-15 minutes until they fully expand. Make sure they form a clear gel-like coating before consumption. Never eat them dry. Start with small amounts, especially if you're new to them. Supervise children closely if they're consuming basil seed drinks. Drink enough water throughout the day to support safe digestion. When prepared correctly, basil seeds can be refreshing and even beneficial. But like many foods, it's not just what you eat, it's how you eat it that matters. So the next time you see those tiny seeds in your drink, remember, a small step like proper soaking and staying hydrated can make the difference between a healthy treat and a risky mistake.